Hi, I'm Jason Becker with Bosch Power Tools. We're going to talk about this laser this time. We're going to talk about the GLL 150 ECK. This is a small compact laser designed to use outside. Let me show you how it works real quick. It's so easy. All you do is slide the switch over like that. It unlocks the pendulum on the inside and lets itself level. And you can see what comes out of it is a 360-degree bright line. All right? So think about the contractors that would use this outside that need a full range. First of all, it's got a 530-foot range, which means it'll work over 250 feet in each direction. So outside contractors that use it. Excavators, the contractors that are grading the land or maybe digging a hole. Concrete contractors, the ones that are doing the foundation footings and the foundation walls or maybe the slab. How about the general contractor that's building the building, whether it's a house, whether it's residential, whether it's commercial, that's the contractor that uses this. So let's talk about the ECK part. ECK stands for package. You get the laser, you get the tripod, you get the grade rod and the receiver. When you're working outside, think about the range of this thing. Up to 250 feet away or over 250 feet away, you're not going to see this beam. So the receiver sees the beam outside even when you can't see it. And when you hit 0, it'll give you an even tone. The receiver clamps onto the grade rod. The grade rod has a number scale on it, simply meant to slide this receiver up and down and tell you what the difference is on each of your points. So you can either go up or go down to make sure your job site's level. So laser, tripod, grade rod, receiver, all by yourself, ready to go.